Hey guys, Michael from Jonard here. Today I'll be showing you the CST-1900 and CST-4000 round cable slit and ring tools. Today I'll be showing you the features of these tools and how to use them. The CST-1900 features a cable holder which can hold cables from 4.5 millimeters to 29 millimeters in diameter. There's also a blade adjustment knob here to change the height of the blade. And the unique thing about the CST-1900 and the CST-4000 is that you can actually lift it up and rotate it to put it into a spiral mode, which is good for removing cable jackets when you want to work on the ends and to save the cable jacket after you're done. So before you want to work on any of your cables, you always want to make sure that the blade height is properly adjusted, just to make sure that you don't cut through any center conductors. When you're ready to work on the cable, simply insert the cable into the cable holder like so, and rotate 3 to 5 times. Then when you're done, simply rotate the handle of the tool and pull towards you to slit the cable. Like the CST-1900, the CST-4000 shares all the same features, except it just uses a larger cable holder for cables up to 40 millimeters in diameter. The CST-4000 also has a spiral mode, which I will demonstrate now on a larger diameter cable. To do a spiral cut, you want to just lift up the neck of the unit like so and lock it into the spiral mode position. Simply insert the cable into the cable holder like so and rotate the tool around. It'll simply cut into the cable jacket like so and will allow you to access the cables inside.
Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.